Hey everyone, Yashwant here. Welcome back to my channel, A Monk in Cloud. Today we have something exciting news to share with you that can make a real impact on your community. For those who might not know or might be new to it, the HashiCorp Ambassadors Program is an incredible initiative that aims to make our community more vibrant and collaborative. The program is built on three core tenets: knowledge sharing, mentorship, and kindness. This means that the ambassadors play a crucial role in supporting community growth and accessibility. Being part of this program not only allows you to contribute to the community, but also provides you with a unique platform for networking, learning, and personal growth. Now, here's the exciting part. The applications for HashiCorp Ambassadors Program for 2024 are officially open. But remember, the deadline for the submissions is Jan 31st, 2024. To apply, all you have to do is click on apply today and you will be given some questions: email address, first name, last name, are you nominating yourself or you are nominating someone else, and there will be some questions regarding your contributions, your previous contributions. If you have done, have you used HashiCorp products like Console, Terraform, or any products that you have used? You can select those and you can provide the links to your community contributions, and that's it. And you also need to submit, you also need to write as to why you need to be selected for this particular program, and there you have it. So that is all you have to fill, right? So you can find all the details in the application form on the official HashiCorp website. So I strongly encourage each and every one of you who is passionate about our community to consider applying. So your unique perspectives and contributions can truly make a difference. I'll make sure to drop the link to this application in the description box below. Feel free to check that out and also comment down if you're interested to be part of this particular program. And thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you know someone who would be fantastic HashiCorp ambassador, don't hesitate to share this information with them. Let's make the tech community even more vibrant together. That's it I had for this video. If you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.